Birds are fascinating creatures that inhabit diverse environments across the globe. They belong to the class Aves and are characterized by their feathered bodies, beaks, and the ability to fly. Birds exhibit remarkable adaptations for flight, such as hollow bones and powerful wings. They come in a myriad of colors, shapes, and sizes, ranging from the tiny hummingbird to the majestic eagle. Birds play crucial ecological roles as pollinators, seed dispersers, and pest controllers. They exhibit a wide range of behaviors, including elaborate courtship displays and intricate nest-building skills. Birds are not only a source of natural beauty but also provide invaluable ecosystem services, making them an integral part of our planet's biodiversity.